Global share markets were mixed overnight. Of interest was the earnings results from Domino's Pizzas. They did show an increase in earnings which were better than expected, and this does suggest that demand for pizzas and of course cheese is strengthening in some of our developed markets. However, the biggest news did come from the US Treasury, which announced that they are going to begin to sell down their $25 billion stake in Citigroup Bank. They will initially sell $1.5 billion worth of shares, and this did see Citigroup shares fall overnight. This does show that the US Treasury is starting to feel pretty comfortable with some of its troubled banks, and this should be seen in a positive light. With this good news for markets, the New Zealand dollar was up and was trading at 72.30 against the US on Tuesday morning. The outlook for meats globally is certainly looking much more positive. Smithfields, the world's largest hog processor, have announced that they are expecting to see a profitable year ahead because of very high hog prices. This would be their first profitable year since 2007. International land prices are also very strong, despite the UK economic recovery remaining pretty weak. The UK did announce economic growth of only 0.2% over the past quarter. The pound remains weak against most currencies, including our own, and this is unlikely to change anytime soon. We are once again nearing the 47p mark against the pound. The fact that the pound is currently so weak against the New Zealand dollar is overshadowing some fairly favourable international conditions for New Zealand lamb farmers. While demand has likely fallen through this recession, supply has fallen by even more, and this is evident in the desire by buyers to really try and get their hands on product at the moment. I don't see any conditions that are going to change this in the near term, and this is likely to mean that we will see international prices fairly high for some time now. However, with little change to the currency expected in the near term, looking into next season, this is going to mean that we will only see small as opposed to large gains in lamb schedule prices.